Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. This morning I'm making little chocolate and raspberry, what do you call them? I don't know, sweeties. I'm melting my dark chocolate here without sugar, sweetened with stevia. And once that's done, all I just do is take the frozen raspberries and dip them in the melted chocolate. Chopsticks are best because then you can maneuver it around without getting your fingers dirty, and they get sticky. The raspberries get sticky because of the ice on them, and you just carry it over into your plate and push it off. See? You do one more. Take another one. Take it around. Turn it over. Make sure it's fully coated. Fully coated. And then pick it up. And get covered there. And push it off. And that's it. And that is how you get your own little bowl of raspberry chocolates. Keto friendly, low carb friendly, and delicious. My favorite combination, raspberries and chocolates. Okay, so that's half a cup of raspberries. You can do other ones with your diet, keto or low carb. For the keto, it has to be the berries. And these are the raspberries. They're my favorite. I find when I eat them, my taste buds are satisfied for ages. So, I'll send you the calorie and the carb count in just a minute. And this is the chocolate I used.